welcome back to my channel. I have a new backdrop today. I'm super excited to use it, so there it is. Anyways, this is gonna be a little bit different. Obviously, we're not traveling, I'm at home. I'm in my new office, my new Lady Boss office slash lady cave slash she shed slash she shed. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys yet because I'm actually gonna do a video on that. Maybe I'll give you a sneak peek, I don't know. I'm not gonna show you guys yet because it's not quite put together. I need some art for the walls and I need to have a champagne slash coffee bar. Oh, I know, it's amazing, right? I'm super excited. So I'm getting that set up, and once I get this room all squared away, I will give you guys a complete she shed tour. Anyways, but just hang on for that. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today. Now, it's not a designer thing, just so you know, but it is designer inspired. Yeah, it's super bedazzled. The baby's screaming, so let me hurry up. Yeah, it's super bedazzled, so if you like shiny things, I'm actually getting things for my office right now. My inspiration is actually Las Vegas, kind of like luxury and, you know, shiny and glamorous, but also timeless, because, you know, whatever, but also timeless. So stuff that's really luxurious and luxurious, and it kind of feels like really glamorous and feels like Las Vegas, because we love Las Vegas. We go to Las Vegas all the time. So I wanted to kind of have a little piece of Las Vegas. Why not? It inspires me. I like to surround myself with things that inspire me. So this is one of the pieces that's gonna be in my room. It's one of the completing pieces. I have a few more things that I need to get, and then this room will be done. Long story short, I have an unboxing. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so this, I waited a long time for this. A long time. I waited like 3 weeks for this. Reason being, ooh, let me not step myself. Reason being is it came from China. Now, I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking. It came from China, it's cheap. Watch that knife, Kayla. It came from China and it's cheap. No, it's not cheap. Well, it was not inexpensive, okay? Let me just tell you that. Because it's actually handmade with crystals. It took some time to hand make. It is not a, you know, factory made item or anything. It's a gal who makes these items, and yeah, she does amazing work. I mean, I've never ordered anything from her before, but I know that she does like amazing stuff. So without further ado, let me just get this box open. I knew I was gonna have trouble, so I brought a knife. Okay, I can't show you my address, otherwise I'm gonna have stalkers. Okay, oh, I should show you my address. All right, here it is. You know what it is yet? Oh, wouldn't it be such a bummer if this were broken? Don't say that, Kayla. Okay, I'm excited. I waited a long time for this, and I'm gonna show you guys in the sun how it shines too. It better be shiny, okay? I like shiny. Here we go. Oh, there's a hair in here. All right. I love shiny things. I love shiny things. I love the shiny things. I love shiny things. I love the shiny things. Oh, it's nicely packaged. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is handmade. Oh, this is so beautiful. So your first hint, Zoe's crystals. She included some cards. Everything is handmade. And I will link it down below for you if you want to check out her stuff. She has a lot of different things. And I have one other thing coming. I will do that video later. Here it is. It is a MacBook case. Whoa, it's so beautiful. Here you go. Oh my goodness. So that's light pink. I don't know if you can tell. Ooh. So this is one of the things that's going to be in my room. Designer inspired. Obviously it's not a Chanel case. It is handmade. And it just shines like just, oh, okay, I'm gonna take it out in the sun and really show you guys, because you can't really, like, you can't tell how shiny it is. and it comes, oh, the cool thing is, and it comes with some, if I can get them off. So you have some crystals in case anything falls off. It's possible. I mean, it's handmade. It's not perfect. You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, look at it! I'm so excited to put this on my laptop. Okay, so here's my MacBook. I'm not gonna just, I got this one on right now, but whoop. Oh, looks exactly the same when I put it up against the MacBook. All right, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. I do a lot of travel vlogging and just like random things because I like to hear myself talk. But anyway, I'm the worst. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Gotta go take care of the baby.